No. Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing my January Boxycharm unboxing. This is my first unboxing video that I've done in years. I used to do boxy unboxings when I was in high school, but I decided that I want to start up again since I do get most of these in PR, which is really great, and being on Boxy PR is pretty cool. And plus, I used to always watch Kathleen Lights do her unboxings. I love the way she says Boxycharm unboxing. I love Kathleen. She's like beautiful and amazing. Yeah, it's kind of like because of her that I wanted to start doing these again. Unfortunately, this month isn't the most exciting boxy month, but that's okay. We're gonna unbox this and we're gonna have a good time. When you open the box, this is what it looks like. It tells you the products on the back. This month is Boxy and Chill, which this imagery is cute and adorable. First few things I see, so here's the inside of the box. The first thing that I am most excited about is the Ofra Miami Fever liquid lipstick. I'm pretty sure Miami Fever is a shade that Kathleen made as well, so I'm kind of hyped for that. But this is just a beautiful like pumpkin-y brown. This is definitely my type of like pumpkin shade. This is like a beautiful pumpkin. This is like my type of shade. I own so many of these, but I've never tried Ofra liquid lipsticks, so I'm very curious to see what I think. Next, we have this $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. I think I'll probably end up giving this away because I don't need it. I use Benefit Brow products and they work for me, so I am gonna definitely give this away. But yeah, it's just a universal brow color, which I don't necessarily agree with universal brow colors because there are people who have like light ass brows and then you have people with super dark brows, but hey, good for them for trying. Next, we have the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. It's like okay, like I've only just started to get back into caring for my hair since I bleached it, so I'm definitely gonna get use out of this. I don't know, I like Boxy because of the makeup. I don't care about the skincare or the hair care. I care more about the makeup, which this month is kind of disappointing for that. But Briogeo is an amazing brand, and it is an expensive brand, so even though this is a mini, it is definitely worth the Boxy price. That's another thing about Boxy that I do love is the price point, because it is affordable, and you now can get Boxy Luxe, and then you get even more products. The palette that I got is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. Oh, this is like... I'm gonna be giving this away because I love Tarte. Y'all know this. I love Tarte and the packaging is cute, but what is this? Like, it is the most neutral shimmery palette I've ever seen in my life, and if you're a beginner, this is probably great for you, or if you like neutral palettes, but I don't like neutral palettes, so yeah, no, I don't like that. I do appreciate that they gave out different palettes. I just wish that Boxy would like kind of like let you choose, but you know, whatever. The last thing for this month is you get 2 Tatcha Luminous Dewy Masks, which I don't know. I recently used a sheet mask the other day and oh my god, I felt so good. I forgot how good sheet masks are, so I'm excited for these. Thank you guys so much for watching my Boxycharm unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to thumbs it up, comment down below, and I might start doing these monthly. Hopefully next month I get it a bit earlier since it's almost the end of the month, so probably no one will watch this, but oh well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.